Okay, so here they are. He's cutting. Cut, cut, cut. And there's Nicole. Yeah, Dad, making progress.
You videotaping, Todd?
Yeah, duh.
Don't get mad, Dad.
I started way before. If you didn't know. Okay, so here's Nicole. She is pulling the tree.
He's getting somewhere.
And he's getting somewhere, Nicole
Dad,
said.
actually keep doing that.
I'll show you the tree that way. It's a cool tree. Oops. Still making progress. And okay.
Once this tree falls, we're gonna look back and be like, ha ha.
And he's getting up, taking a break.
I think we actually just cut into the middle of the tree.
What?
Hold this up.
Oh, I'm taking the camera.
Whoa, Dad, do that.
Yeah, Dad! They're making progress! Yeah!
We did it!
Oh yeah, it's down, guys.
Did you get it on video?
Yes, I have it on video. I'm still videotaping.
I technically cut
Tasha.
that down. Dad's face.
Oh,
We did it!
sure.
I actually technically cut that
Go over there, Todd.
Okay.
I'll keep going.
down.
Nicole, cut it down. So stand by it, girls.
Yeah. Technically, I cut it down.
Can you girls lift it up? Or is it too heavy?
Does it? You have to get on this sled so that we can push it.
Wait, I gotta finish cutting it. Good job, Natasha.
Okay.
Yeah, I was videotaping.
Good job, Nicole. All right.